Hi, good afternoon. Namaste. Myself Digantasji. I am from Kottur. I am attending a 100% Viveka memory class. Today I am from 10 days I learn more and I get a knowledge. This is I think this is main for me. I learn more. Today I explain the first chapter in science. It is a biology. In biology, okay, what is means biology? Biology, it is a study of a living organisms. In that first chapter is living organisms. What is meant by living? In living, it is a characteristics of moving, development, growing, increasing, and momentum of organisms is called as living. Okay. In that, the first one is metabolism. What is meant by metabolism? Metabolism, it means a strength of the body. Where that strength gives, strength takes by the nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is that will get from the body food. How we get food? We want to get a food very strongly and nutritious. Okay. What is meant by next one is reproduction. What is reproduction? It is a fusion of male and female gametes. In that, which one? The father contains a X and Y chromosomes and a mother contains a X chromosomes. It leads to, when father gives a X chromosome to the mother, it will lead to the formation of a girl. Okay. Next, when the father gives a Y chromosome, that will lead to the formation of a boy. This will there is no any statement like the mother is the main issue for the development of the girl. It is not essential. It gives it comes from the father. Father is essential for the growing of a female or male baby. It gives means father, when the father chromosomes are the dominant, it will give the in the formation of or the development of the baby. Next one is cellular organization. What is meant by cellular organization? It gives cellular organization means it is a development. Development means it gives cellular. It means it is a present. Our body is living from the cellular cells. Cells means the group of cells is called as tissue. This is plays a main important role. We are living in the diversity means it is a main reason is cell. Okay. Next one is biodiversity. In biodiversity, what is biodiversity? The biodiversity means it is a classification of peoples or a group of animals, birds or plant or trees. This is called as biodiversity. In that, the nomenclature. What is meant by nomenclature? Nomenclature means it is a group of study of plants, animals and classifying of group of plants and animals. It is called as nomenclature. In that, there is a taxa. Taxa means it is a classification of fishes, animals, birds, flowers and other some products in the formation of their categories and those momentums and their color or anything. Next one is taxonomic classification. Taxonomic classification, in that is a genus. What is genus? Genus, it is a chromosomes which one is it comes from the father or from the mother. What genus? It is also called as heredity. Heredity, it comes from the father or it comes from the generation to the generation. What the genus makes? Genus makes the transformation of characteristics from the parent's body or from the generation. It will give a characteristic like mother or father or their grandfathers. This is called as genus. In that, the next one is zoological taxonomical classification. That taxonomic classification means it is we what said that taxa means it is a classification of fishes, birds, flowers and some things, anything called this. By classification them, this process is made differently, is called as taxonomical classification. In the taxonomic classification, first one is zoological parks. Zoological park means where the zoological parks, they have the plants, animals and birds. There is a group of plants, animals, birds are living in the man control. It is called as zoological parks. In that, animals and plants made their characteristics are not naturally in the zoological parks. Next one is museums. In museums also it is called as a man-made home for the animals and birds or plants. In that, they does not grow naturally. Where that means it gives it made a strict obediently for the strictly to the plants or birds or animals. There is give a foods and they get a foods or meat from human beings. In family, in forest, they get a food, or they learn hunting, catching, and something anything else in the forest. So it is the main thing. I say that the animals are living in the forest are the main things that give the things to the, and give a natural things or natural habitats to the plants, animals to the in the forest. Next one is in the family. What is leads to family or generation to the generation? It will leads to the it will give takes a characteristics or momentums or anything are from the generation to the generation. Okay, next one is taxonomy classification completed. No, next one is family genus also completed. Genus also completed. Thank you.